Have you ever thought about starting a business that doesn't need much space, doesn't make noise, and doesn't cost a fortune to run? What if I told you that the answer could be snails? Yes, snail farming is one of the most underrated ways to build a steady, low-risk income right from your backyard. In this video, I'll show you exactly what snail farming is, how it works, and what you need to know before getting started. Snail farming, also called heliciculture, is the practice of breeding and raising edible land snails for food, cosmetics, and sometimes even medicine. It's simple, affordable, and gaining popularity around the world, especially in countries with warm, humid climates. Here's why it makes sense. First, snail farming is cheap to start. You don't need big land, heavy machinery, or expensive equipment. Just a small shaded space and a few healthy snails. Second, there's growing demand for snails. Their meat is rich in protein, low in fat, and packed with iron. Plus, snail slime is used in skincare products. If you're enjoying this so far, go ahead and subscribe to Tropics Farming. This channel is your go-to space for everything agriculture, from practical farming tips to simple ways to grow food and income right where you are. Whether you're in the city or the village, we've got something for you. Now let's keep going. Third, snails are quiet and clean. They don't make noise, they don't smell, and they're easy to manage, even in your backyard. And finally, they multiply fast. With proper care, your snail population can grow quickly, giving you more stock to sell or expand. So what do you need to get started? Start with the right snail species, like Achatina achatina or Archatina marginata. These grow fast, lay plenty of eggs, and fetch good market prices. Build a simple housing unit. It could be a wooden pen, a plastic crate, concrete trench, or even stacked tires. Just make sure it's moist, shaded, and escape-proof. Use loamy soil. It helps snails move and lay eggs. Keep the area humid and spray water regularly if needed. Feed them fruits, vegetables, and calcium-rich foods like pawpaw leaves, watermelon peels, and crushed eggshells. But avoid beginner mistakes. Don't overcrowd your snails. It slows their growth. Don't use dry or sandy soil. It will harm their shells. Protect your pen from predators like ants, lizards, or rats, and always clean the pen to avoid disease. Here's the truth. Snail farming won't make you rich overnight, but it's a smart, sustainable way to build long-term income. If you stay consistent, learn the basics, and avoid shortcuts, you'll see results. In the next video, I'll show you how to build your first snail pen using cheap materials you already have at home. So don't forget to subscribe to Tropics Farming and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Your snail farming journey starts now.